Hello friends, today we will learn about rational numbers. Rational numbers come under the real numbers. There are two types of numbers, real number and complex number. Rational numbers belong to the category of real numbers. Then further, real numbers they are divided into two classes. These are rational numbers, which is our today's topic. They are denoted by Q. For example, -8, 0 and the fractions, etc. These are all rational numbers. Whereas other category of real numbers is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers represented by Q bar. And their example is under root 5 minus under root 8, 2 minus root 7, etc. The square root terms, they come under irrational numbers. Our topic is rational numbers. They are further of two types. The first kind is integers. This we have already done in our lower classes. They are represented by I or capital Z. Integers lie on number line, which is having center 0, 1, 2, 3 ascending order, and on the left hand side of number line the negative numbers are there. These are all integers. Other type of rational numbers, second kind is non-integer numbers. They can be fractions, 5 upon 8, 7 upon 13, etc. It can be mixed fraction also, like this. These are all non-integers. Integer is a complete number. Non-integers, they are fractions. Now, integers we know they are of three types: positive integers, negative integers, and 0. They are all integers. Negative integers, positive, and 0. This positive integers and 0 means 0, positive means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. They collectively are called 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. They are called whole numbers. Whole numbers having 0 and positive integers represented by capital W. This is all about the real number system. Today we will learn the rational numbers, means about these all numbers. Let us begin. The definition of rational numbers: a number which can be expressed as A divide B, A upon B, where both A and B are integers. Integers means positive or negative numbers, and B should not be equal to 0. This is also a condition that denominator should not be 0. Such type of number is called a rational number. For example, 2 upon 7, 5 upon 13, 19 upon 24, etc. This can be negative. These are all rational numbers where A and B, they are all integers and the denominator should not be equal to 0. Rational numbers, as we have done just now, they are represented by capital letter Q. So we write Q is equal to the collection of all the numbers of the form A upon B, such that A and B, they are both integers, belong to the set of integers, and the important condition is denominator is not equal to 0. This is the definition, collection form, set builder form of rational numbers. Now we discuss some properties of rational numbers. In the properties of rational numbers, the first one is if a by b is a rational number and then a and b are co-prime. Co-prime means their common factor is only number 1. Means there is nothing common between a and b. Second property, every integer and every decimal number is a rational number. Integer means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And here -1, -2, -3. They are also rationals. And every decimal 7.8, 9.13, 17.1 minus etc. Integers and decimals, they are also rational numbers. Next is for every rational number a upon b, minus a upon b is its negative rational number. Means every rational number has its negative number. Also we can write minus a upon b as it is equal to a upon minus b. There is one minus either in the numerator or in the denominator, and we can write it as a common minus sign in front of a upon b, like -7 upon 13. It is a same rational number as 13 upon -7, and collectively we can write negative of 7 by 13. Next property of rational numbers is two rational numbers a upon b, c upon d. Suppose these are two rational numbers. They are said to be equal if their cross product a multiply d is equal to b multiply c. When we multiply them in a cross product manner, a goes to d and b goes to c. If this product is equal on both sides, then we say that these rational numbers are equal. Last property is for rational numbers a and b, their mean, adding both rational numbers, divide by 2. It is also a rational number and it will always lies between a and b. Means a is less than the mean, it is less than the second rational number b. So these are some properties of rational numbers. In our next video, we will do the sums based on rational numbers. Till then, learn these properties, understand them. If you have any queries, do write to us in our comment box. Okay friends, take care and work hard. Bye bye.